Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Pratik Singh, and in this video we would like to discuss a very important topic called data cleaning. And within that data cleaning, today we would like to talk about missing value. So many times when we work with business data, there are many cases we come across their data are missing. In most of the cases when data is available in tabular format, some cells are empty and we don't have data. So for data analysis purpose, most of the businesses are spending their 70 to 80% times in data organization, and they are encountering the major problem what we call as missing value. So in this video and the lecture series of data analysis with KNIME, we would like to understand how we can manage missing value. So friends, before moving that, in last video we have already uploaded uh, data by using Excel reader, by using CSV reader, and we have also understood how to upload data by using another available options. So here you can see that one Excel reader node has already uploaded, and here at bottom you can see the data as well. So before moving ahead, let's try to understand data first. So this is the data that what I have uploaded. It is basically data related to employee training. You can see here their ID, their age, monthly spending on their training score, gender, before after training score, their department, their satisfaction level, sales related informations, what is their overall level of experience, performance rating, work engagement and employee review. So I have developed this synthetic data to just understand the concept of data analysis using KNIME. So we have uploaded that same data over here in KNIME software. So when you see the data preview at bottom, you have two options. One is table and second is statistics. So once you click on statistics, you can see here the third column is of missing value, and you can see here there are rows related to age. We have one missing value. The test score, we have another missing value. Same way, if you can follow the column, you can identify there are missing value. So friends, when we are taking business decision, it is utmost necessary that data is clean and there are no missing values. So based on accurate information, we can take final decision. So there are options available in KNIME how you can manage missing values. So once you have uploaded data, like here what we have uploaded, then you just have to go to the node and you have to type missing node. So this is the node that you can see here the information that this node helps you to handle the missing value that available in your shell or anywhere in your data set. So we just have to drag and drop that node here, and we have to connect our database with this node. And you can see here the yellow signal has been activated, and now you just have to click here, right click, and configure. So when we see any data set, there are three types of data are available. When the integer, that is the number format, string, that is the text format, and number float, that means the decimal number. Okay, so there are three options when we are talking about uh, if we have any missing value in integer. Most of the cases is data set is large, and if the number is integer, we can replace the missing value with the overall mean of that particular column. Same way, when we are talking about string values, the we can select the most frequent values of that particular column, and with float types of data set, we can again go with mean as well. Please remember, friends, when we have a very small data set, then you cannot use mean uh, both in case of integer and float. It is advisable you should remove the particular row. But in this default option, in this missing value node, when you select mean for integer, when you select most frequent value for string data type, and when you select mean for float, this will applicable to entire data set. But suppose, what if you would like to do this kind of arrangement for particular column, then you just have to select the second option, go here, select your particular column that you would like to amend, click here on add button, and for specific this particular age you would like to select mean. Same way for monthly spending, let's say for example you would like to select mean. And when we are talking about, let's say for example in mean gender, suppose there are any missing values, you would like to select do nothing, because when we are talking about this kind of category we don't want to do anything. Okay. And basically suppose if you want to add something like employees review, then you, because as it is a string data, you can select the most frequent value out of this. So this is what we are doing column wise. If we want to manage missing value, then we can do this. Otherwise we can select the default option where we can apply mean value for float and integer data type, and for string we can use most frequently value. You just have to click on apply and OK, and then you just have to click on execute button. So once it has been executed, you can see here the green signal is activated when I am clicking here, and if you can see the statistic, now there are no missing values. You can observe here there are no missing values here. All missing values are converted into numbers as you know uh, defined by you. Whereas if we can see the original data and just click on statistics, there are missing values. So this is a simple way how we can clean our data set, and this is the special case of missing value. So I hope it is easy to understand. You like this video, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.